Hello students, welcome. I am Kendra. Nice to meet you. In this video, we will learn about A. Adverbs of manner. For example, correctly, well, etc. B. Noun phrase plus modifier. For example, the chair near the door. C. WH questions. For example, who does Mary see? Who sees Mary? Notice the use of adverbs of manner and adjectives. Adverb. John answered correctly. Adjective. The answer was correct. It was a correct answer. Adjectives and adverbs. For example, correct, correctly. Quiet, quietly. Bad, badly. Clear, clearly. Quick, quickly. Sad, sadly. Silent, silently. Wise, wisely. Sincere, sincerely. Careful, carefully. Beautiful, beautifully. Easy, easily. Slow, slowly. Good, well. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. Loud, loudly. Exercise 1. For example, he works quietly. He is a quiet worker. He speaks clearly. He is a clear speaker. Exercise 2. Listen to the statement with an adjective, careful, quiet, etc. Form two corresponding statements. One with an adverb, carefully, quietly, etc., and one with an adjective, after a form of the verb be. For example, the careful student is studying. He is careful. The student is studying carefully. The quiet doctor worked. He was quiet. The doctor worked quietly. The sincere doctor is speaking. He is sincere. The doctor is speaking sincerely. Now, please do the following exercise. You can pause your video until you finish the exercise. In addition to the adverb well, there is also an adjective well, which refers to state of health. For example, my friend was sick, but now he is well. Exercise 3. Substitute the words in the proper position. For example, John spoke English rapidly last year. Correctly. John spoke English correctly last year. Pronounced. John pronounced English correctly last year. These words. John pronounced these words correctly last year. Yesterday. John pronounced these words correctly yesterday. He pronounced these words correctly yesterday. Now, please do the following exercise. You can pause your video until you finish the exercise. Notice the use of prepositional phrases as modifiers. Previous pattern, Lesson 4C. For example, the Canadian student speaks French. New pattern. For example, the student speaks French. He is from Canada. The student from Canada speaks French. Additional examples. The shoe store on State Street is very good. The chair near the door is old. The student at the door is new. The desk in this room is small. The student with Mary is nice. Exercise 4. Combine two statements to form one. For example, the girl is studying. She is tall. The tall girl is studying. The girl is studying here. She is from San Francisco. The girl from San Francisco is studying here. Exercise 5. For example, the man is a lawyer. He has a briefcase. The man with a briefcase is a lawyer. That boy is John. He has a newspaper. That boy with a newspaper is John. Now, please do the following exercise. You can pause your video until you finish the exercise. Illustrative examples. John explained the lesson to Mary yesterday. A. Previous pattern. What did John explain to Mary yesterday? Who did John explain the lesson to yesterday? When did John explain the lesson to Mary? What did John do? B. New pattern. Who explained the lesson to Mary yesterday? Pattern S can also be used to ask for part of the subject. For example, 10 students came yesterday. How many students came yesterday? How many came yesterday? Who came yesterday? Exercise 6. Listen to the statements. Form questions using who, what, where, etc. The teacher may give the answer as the cue. The answers are given in parentheses. Situation. John sells cars in Texas. Who sells cars in Texas? John. What does John sell? Cars. Where does John sell cars? In Texas. Situation. John saw Mary. Who saw Mary? John. Who did John see? Mary. Now, please do the following exercise. You can pause your video until you finish the exercise. Exercise 7. Make questions based on the following sentence. 2 students gave a pound of food to the 3 little elephants at the zoo yesterday. Now, please do the following exercise. You can pause your video until you finish the exercise. Well done, students. You have finished chapter or lesson 9. I hope you enjoy it, and keep practicing. See you again, bye.